What's happening, guys? D-Rock RC Nation back with another video for you. Got an unboxing today, guys. Got a little surprise. Is it a kaiju? No, it's not the Redcat kaiju. We got the Redcat landslide XTE 4S capable, 2 battery trays, big bore adjustable shocks, nice bumper. This was a slider kit. See, there's no electronics. That's where the servo, speed controller, and receiver would be. No motor. We got a center diff. These tires I just put on here because it's got a metal chassis. I don't want that just sitting on the ground getting scraped up. Nice chassis. You can see the thickness, hopefully. It's well put together. A-arms are interchangeable. Left, right, front, rear. You only really need one spare. So Redcat is good about that with spare parts. Adjustable shock towers. Hopefully you can see that. Front and rear. I'm sorry, body posts, body mounts, adjustable body mounts. Got steel CVDs, front and rear. Adjustable turnbuckles, camber, toe, front and rear. This little plastic side guard that'll help keep the debris out when you're bashing. It's a sturdy little truck. Like I said, I just put some GT tires on it for now. But it's my next build project. Definitely gonna put a big boy motor in it, probably 120 amp ESC, 20 or 25 kilogram servo, and we'll go from there. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated on the build. You know, I'm a fan of ready to run, but you know it's always fun to mess around with a kit too. Kind of customize it with the electronics, make it your own. Didn't even come with a shell. Came with the owner's manual, big boy heat sink, some body pins, screws and stuff, battery manuals, and I think it came with a 14 tooth pinion. So it's a pretty cool kit. I've been pleased with it so far. I just wish it would have came with a shell. Other than that, it's not bad for a slider. So I appreciate you guys watching. Got any questions or suggestions as far as the power system I should use, let me know. And any suggestions for this center diff, as far as the weight, oil, whatnot. Appreciate you watching. If you like what you see, smash that like, subscribe, and share button.